converting mass percent composition into an empirical formula. So we start off with a mass percent composition, and what we want to do is convert the percent into mass. So an easy way to do it is to assume that we have 100 grams. That converts the percent numbers directly into mass numbers, into grams. So 60.9% becomes 60.9 grams. 4.4%, 4.4 grams, 3.48% is 3.48 grams. Any other mass will still work. And there's another, if we know the molar mass, that's another shortcut method for figuring out the molecular formula. But once we have a mass of each element, we divide by their atomic masses to get moles. So at this point here, sometimes you're tempted to round to a whole number. We don't want to do that yet. So these are random numbers to help move us toward whole numbers. We want to divide all these three numbers by the lowest value. So of course that one becomes 1, and then the other ones are going to be 1 or greater than 1. So for the hydrogen it comes down to a whole number 2, but with the carbon it's 2.33. So at this point we want to look for any significant decimals that can be represented by a fraction. So 2.33 is 2 1/3. 0.33 is a third. So we want to multiply all our moles again by the denominator of that fraction, 3. So I'll turn our 1 into 3, our 2 into 6. Our 2 1/3 becomes 7. If we have any decimals at this point, we just round that to whole numbers. And then we use these whole numbers as the subscripts on the elements that we're dealing with. So our carbon is 7, our hydrogen is 6, oxygen is 3. So that becomes our formula for this compound. This is the mass percent of salicylic acid. So this is our empirical formula of salicylic acid.